Hello everyone, we've got a large dataset question here and a little bit of a standard deviation calculation. So it says Ming is studying the large dataset for Perth in 2015. He intended to use all the data available to find summary statistics for the daily mean air temperature, but unfortunately Ming selected an incorrect value on the spreadsheet. This incorrect variable gave a mean of 5.3 and a standard deviation of 12.4. Using your knowledge of the large dataset, suggest which variable Ming selected. So here they're just expecting us just to remember that a mean and a standard deviation of 12.4 is going to be something that's more consistent with the data that's given for rainfall. Okay, so it's just one of those things that you just need to remember. And they said that they would allow wind speed as well. Okay. Now, it says the correct values for the daily mean air temperature are summarized as follows with those statistics. Calculate the mean and standard deviation for these data. Really nice little bit here. So our mean, let's do our mean first. The mean is sigma x over n. We're given sigma x. N we're also given. Sometimes we have to remember that, but this time we're given it's 184. So therefore we just calculate our mean as 15.224 or 15.2 to 3 significant figures. Standard deviation, and again we're given this formula in the formula booklet, which is quite nice, is just sigma x squared over n minus sigma x over n all squared, or sometimes it's said it's the square root of the mean of the squares minus the square of the mean. But again, we're given all the information that we need to plug into that formula. We've got our sigma x squared, we've got our n, and we've got the mean that we calculated before. So that gives us a standard deviation of 3.34. So really nice 3 marks, easy 3 marks there for part B. What's next? It says one of the months from the large data set for Perth in 2015 has a mean of 19.4 and a standard deviation of 2.83 for the daily mean air temperature. Suggest giving a reason a month these data may have come from. So you'll notice that we had a mean average temperature of 15.2. However, this mean that we've got is 19.4. So it's significantly above like the average temperature. So we're in Perth, which is in Australia, which is in the southern hemisphere. And if we're in the southern hemisphere, then the summer is in the winter. The summer is in the winter months for those in the northern hemisphere. So in other words, the peak of summer is going to be somewhere around about December. Now you've got to remember that the large data set collects data from May through to October. So therefore the warmest month in this collection of months in the southern hemisphere is going to be in October. So we're going to say that the month, most likely month to have such a high temperature in Perth is going to be October, because that's closest, the one that's closest to their summer. Okay, I hope you found that helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.